every time Ramadan approaches, there's one surah that comes to my mind and one question I ask myself. And as bizarre as it sounds, it's Surat Al-Jinn. Yep, there's no direct reference to Ramadan or fasting here, so why this surah? Because of the strange and phenomenal incident Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala recorded in it. What happened? Well, as you know, the jinn, a creation of smokeless fire from the world of the unseen, have always been able to freely move throughout the seven skies. Until one day, during the time of the Prophet ﷺ, they shockingly found themselves unexplainably restricted. The skies were put on lockdown with heavily guarded angels everywhere, confining them solely to the earth. This abnormal event left them really worried and certain that something was heading their way. And we're told that while they were roaming the earth, they passed by the Prophet ﷺ, who they heard reciting the powerful and miraculous words of the Quran. And they instantly knew that all of that significant movement and preparation in the heavens was to prepare for these divine words to be revealed. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala shares that story from the unseen so that we can truly appreciate how weighty and precious this gift of the Quran is. So whenever Ramadan comes around, I'm left asking myself one hugely important question I believe we should all be asking ourselves right now, which is, what extraordinary preparation are you and I personally making in our lives to welcome and reacquaint ourselves with the Quran in this month of Ramadan? Well, I prepared something epic to help you prepare for this month in ways that you never have before, insha'Allah. So stay tuned for an upcoming announcement that you won't want to miss.